Today we are going to learn symmetrical image. You know symmetrical image? Symmetrical image means both sides equal measurement. So we can start. Now you can take your drawing book and 2B and 4B HB pencil, blending stick. If you not have blending stick, you can use, last class I already share tissue paper, earbuds. So you should not skip the video, continue watch the video, and step by step you can learn.
Now you can take HB pencil for shading. Just trial because some exercise. This is exercise. Before drawing, you must do some exercise. And different, you can see the different type exercises there. Some shading and light and dark. Some were dark color, dark shade and light shade, up to down. Blendings, just to practice. Before starting your work, just blending and practice. This is already I teach last class. So I will give the description this link. And circle lines. This is a movement, hand exercise, different type exercises there. Straight line, curve line. It is a good because different exercise you can try before the drawing. The hand. And you can use circle. This is also exercise also. Different direction you can try to circle. Left side, right side. This is a left side line, left direction. Left direction. If your hand is left, movement will be good. So when you draw the triangle, just try one more without touch and complete this triangle inside each lines should not touch in between anywhere. That is a good as an exercise. Even not only the triangle, even you can use the circle and square. Now we can start our drawing. Just rough line. Just when you imagine or in front of your image any 3D picture, 3D image, you can try, look the picture and try. That is a better. You should not copy some other picture. Maximum you can try the still life images. If maybe in your home, different image will be the different pot is fruits is vegetable, anything you can keep in front of your table. Then try to look and draw them. Now I am drawing in front of me one pot. First you should draw one line. Middle line is not necessary. Okay, we can start real image. Just before I try, I practice that how to draw the. After circle, we can draw with scale 1, middle one line, because this is a symmetrical image. The symmetrical image, what should you know? You should draw middle one line, but before circle, that is not compulsory. First you can make the circle, then depend the image. This image is very clear. First you can make one circle, then only you can make the shape. You should not use dark line. When you draw the picture, you must use maximum light and HB pencil. That is better. because unnecessary line will be there. because we are going to draw the look and draw. That's why. So a lot of the unnecessary line will be there. So that unreal line we should rub later. So maximum you can light line. Then handle you can draw very light line with the HB pencil. Now we are doing HB pencil only. What is the reason? Means I already shared, when you use the lines, no, a lot of the unneeded line will be there. Later we must rub that line. So maximum HB pencil you can try. The pencil, so different type pencil is there, HB, 2B, 4B. So HB for drawing, almost we'll use the sketching, and after the sketch, this is a sketching going on. After sketch we can use 2B or 4B or 6B, 8B, any pencil, depending shade you can use. Okay, this both side we done, handle we done, side left. Then after we can use eraser, and unneeded line we can erase. Then same pencil you can use for darkest. Both side equal, you can try to, with pencil you can use, don't need the any special measurement tool, directly you can use pencil, keep the pencil and take the measurement equal part and confirm the line and the side pose. Clear the picture. Slowly you can do that. And we can start the shading now. I use it 2B pencil. This is a 2B pencil. Just to try to outside if the confirm the shading is perfect. Just I mark here up to down is better. When you use the shade, up to down is better. The down to up is not good for shading. Maximum you can try to up to down. What is the reason? Something reason is that I will share next class, next one more video I will create. That time I will clear what I'm going to say, that up to down and down to up. What is the difference of shading? The using 2B or 4B pencil depend your image. If the image this is a very dark, suppose you can use the 4B or 6B more than 2B or 4B. Slowly without press and do that, and you can use the blending stick. Little bit small areas you can use, that is a better. Big area we can use tissue paper, that is also good, because the big areas lot of space will be there. So you slowly, and now you can do the blending stick for this because the small areas, that's why. Then now we can start downside part. very dark. I think I used it here for a 4B pencil. 4B pencil is good. And because this will be more spaces there, that's why I used here tissue paper for blending. It will be pressed darkest pencil. I used here 6B pencil. I'm using 6B pencil. Slowly mixing and spread there. The bottom area you can do more dark. They want the darkest area, dark area, you can do the dark, light areas light without press. Somewhere you can do the press, you will get very dark. And handle we can start, it will be dark shade. 4B pencil you can use. Maximum you can use the 4B or 6B, that's enough. More than 6B you should not do. 6B and 4B. Then use the tissue paper or blending stick. This is a small place, that's why blending stick is there. Darkest you can use. Maximum dark color. Spread the color. And use the tissue paper and spread to other part. And we can start, already started decided here shadow. Cast shadow. And spread. Use the tissue 2B pencil. Again 2B pencil. Just line and design. And mark. Use the darkest. Then clean and make the shape properly with the tissue. And this is a eraser pencil. Eraser pencil eraser pencil available in market, possible buy and use like this pencil. When you sharp this, you will get the eraser. So minute place and line, somewhere the designs, everything you can create the eraser pencil. Some dot I create, I just am try to the realistic that image, put in the dot.
If you like my video, You can like and share to your friends and subscribe. Today we are going to wind up our video. Anyway, bye.